School leaders are just regular people. They are not gods. Don't think that because they're in charge, you can't treat them like normal human beings. Invite them to your parties. Now, they may not attend, but it will mean a lot to be included. Being a school leader is a very tough and largely thankless job. They have to deal with all the big issues, but they don't get the fun of teaching. Keep that in mind. Most of what the administration deals with is complaints from students, parents, teachers, and community members, and that's not fun. So every week, track down a school leader and have a short conversation where you share something positive that is happening in the building, and tell them that you appreciate their hard work. This will mean more than you can possibly know. And it's also strategic. The administration will observe you throughout the year. Having them sit in your classroom judging you while you teach can be extremely stressful. However, if you're the teacher that is constantly bringing them positivity, they will give that positivity right back to you. Especially if you're trying innovative teaching strategies in your classroom, getting the administration on your side is critical, and positivity can be a powerful strategy for getting them on board.